In the traffic insights, this is a report that shows performance of your campaigns across all the campaigns, not for a specific campaign. For that, you will go into the sources menu, traffic insights, and this is the report. It will show how your campaigns are performing for each traffic source that you have in your campaign. For example, here you see the traffic sources that we have used in this test account. You have a column which shows how many campaigns were defined for each traffic source. And if you click, for example, on Microsoft Ads, I want on 2 campaigns, then I see the campaigns dashboard with Microsoft Ads filtered here and only the 2 campaigns that are defined on Microsoft Ads. The same as in the campaign dashboard, you have all the metrics that are available in here, and you will be able to compare performance between traffic sources to see, for example, that on Microsoft Ads, I got a better performance and I have a positive ROI, while on Google Ads, I have a negative ROI. This report type also has the option to filter by user, so you are able to see the campaigns that are assigned to a specific user. This is something that we will add to more and more reports because we get customers that are actually teams with multiple users, and each user has its own campaign assigned. So we'll see this user dropdown available more and more through the tracker. You have the date range available to see performance for a specific time interval as well. And of course, you have the columns where you can select the metrics that you want to see. Very useful report for seeing traffic source information and the performance of campaigns between traffic sources to compare this easily.